Fernando de Cruz hasn't done anything special yet. Mfundo Vilakazi is more valuable than Ulangelihle Phili. Mdu Shabalala is more lethal than Ucheslet. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for isapoti yenu bafethu. Igama lami uVusi Kupeka, known as well as Couch Coach. Right. Today's show, I'm going to be showing you why ngithi Fernando de Cruz hasn't improved Kaizer Chiefs. Mdu Shabalala as well as Ucheslet, I'm going to be showing you that. Again, for the Pirate supporters, I'm going to be showing you the runs that Mbutuma azenzayo. Sometimes they are good, sometimes they are bad. I understand why he stops making the good runs. As well, I'm going to be showing you Utito, what he brings to Pirates on the field. Yes, off the field, Sibonile, he brings a little bit of drama. Now, we're going to start with the Cruz, right? Ute Cruz, let's just compare the first 4 games that got the Cruz. This season, 2 wins, 1 draw, 1 loss. Last season, Kaizer Chiefs, how many? 4 wins in a row. Okay, let's go on stats. This season, they've scored 6 goals, conceded 2. Right? Last season, they scored 4 goals, conceded 0. If you want to go E-League in, you just want to talk about E-League, right? This year, they have 7 points. Last season, they had 9 points. Now, I'm going to be showing you structure. So, mina guys, everything in Nkulmangayo, I show you with your last born, right? I'm going to show you the structure of Chiefs against Sundowns this season and last season. You can't say a team improved when you play against Sundowns with 5 at the back. Last season it was 4 at the back. They were so aggressive last season. Kaizer Chiefs, they played well, one of their best games, right? Okay, sharp. Now this is the game over the weekend. They played 5 at the back. They were defending, right? Yes, they got the goal because of this structure, right? Nothing wrong with it, but we can't say team improved, right? 5 at the back, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 2 up front. They didn't have a natural striker in this game. I'm gonna show you in this after this clip. I'm gonna show you Gucci Chiefs last season. Good, as a neutral fan, I actually enjoyed the Chiefs last season than this game. Not a lot of chances. Sundowns just keeping the ball. Chiefs yenzani ipegelela just watching the show, right? Yes, it was their game plan. I'm not saying the game plan was wrong, but I'm just saying Uguti. Last season, Chiefs, they were more potent. They wanted to be aggressive. They wanted to put Sundowns under pressure. This is the Sundowns Chiefs versus Sundowns last season, right? Look at where Williams is. Watch where the Chiefs players are. And they are actually going to press Sundowns. They played 4 at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sharp. This season, 5. Watch. Ball goes wide. Bayenzani, press. Ball goes back. Bayenzani, press. Sundowns Yenzani kicks the ball forward. This was the Kaizer Chiefs that most people loved last season. Not the Lamakwala Bebayibo over the weekend. Okay, sharp. How they got the goal. 5 at the back, Sundowns Yenzani plays the ball in the middle. They go and attack. That's why the structure or the formation or the tactic was not a bad tactic. But I'm just saying, Uguti, last season, they played 4. They were not scared. This Kaizer Chiefs was scared. Even last season, I'm going to show you a goal that they scored. They scored via their tactic. In both games, they scored via their tactics. In this last season, press, Siaba pressa. They were not scared. You can't say you are a big team and then you're going to play 5 at the back. Playing at home. Watch this pass. Bafethu, Mdu Shabalala. More lethal than Ucheslet. Mdu Shabalala is more lethal than Ucheslet. Pause, Mdu. Any questions? No questions. Now, singena Utito, right? Utito, I always say, he is the smartest player Orlando Pirates. Yes, I know a lot of people won't agree, right? It's okay, but Mina, I'm going to show you Guti why he is the smartest player Orlando Pirates. The moves that Tito makes, you need mostly you need players that are smart as well to complement you. This is Umaswangani over here. Ball goes there. Watch Tito make the run there. Space sivulega gupi, space sivulega la. If you have a smart player, we play the ball to Umbutuma, to the space, hangit. But the pass was not delicious. Sharp. Second clip. Watch Tito again. Maswangani, where is the space? The space is here. Bayenzani Pirates, they don't play the ball in here. What do? They try to play it to Umuremi, because we all know Umuremi, he likes sprinting. Umuremi ngathi ufunde nabelungu. He likes running a lot. Now watch Tito drops in here, kune space lapaya. He doesn't get it this time. The ball goes where? Goes over on the left-hand side. Undaba niyamazi. Hey, na Undaba, hey, mara fit. Okay, sharp. Again, on the left-hand side, Utito has become a traffic cop. EMPD, Umkwanaz. Watch Utito again. Drops in here. This guy, he goes over there. Now the ball comes to who? To Tito Maswangani. The trafficker. Umkwanaz. But Orlando Pirates commission for what he did over the weekend. But asikho lapho, right? We are not there, Sila. Just showing you the movement as I got Tito. Now, this is the game against Emil Ford. Yes, Utito likes to gibela on the ball, but that thing brings players towards Utito. You need to understand the type of player that he is. Gets the ball there, look what happens. 4 players around here. 4 players around Utito. He passes the ball there. But no one will remember that. Especially here in the studio. They'll only remember this pass over here. They'll only remember this pass. They won't remember that other one. Okay? Sharp. Another clip. He is a trafficker. He tells Undaba to pass over there. And then we'll tola. And then wenzani. Ta. Ay, Marayaz lama play Pirates. A beautiful move, but it's a mosh. Sharp. This is against Amazul. Another good thing, Utito Tanda E1-2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Umbutuma. 1, 2, 1, 2. Siyahamba, my man. Awu bafethu. Okay, sharp. Pirates bebayi athekile la, right? Bola liza la. Baphume kamnandi. This was a delicious move. Ball goes to the right. This is Umaswangani over here. The ball will come back to the left-hand side, Pirates. Always finding space, always creating space for abanye abantwana. Okay, sharp. He goes there, he stops. Because uyabona kuzoba ne traffic. Ball comes to him again. Da, where is the space? He plays the ball there. And then Ulunga couldn't finish. Okay, pause him too. Any questions? Yes, you will never miss this opportunity to talk about Utito. And there is nothing wrong. Okay, guys, the thing pulls a man. One of the things that I think Uwaru does not understand. Yes, I don't think he understands his game, right? Utito is not. He's not a player that plays fast football. But if you want him to play fast football, kuzobanzima, then don't play him. He's that player who he'll create space for abanye abantu. When he has the ball, he's gonna drop and open up his space and then plays ama 1-2. I don't understand the problem that they have with Pirates, because it's easy to manage, right? Okay, let's read for a question.
My question is, what does it do different from what Mfukeng used to do when he played number 10?
What does he do different?
Tito. What does Tito do different to what Mfukeng used to do?
But Mfukeng is not there anymore.
No, but
okay, sharp.
We are talking about now, Guti. He's the one that took over the role like Mfukeng. Yini yena uyimbona ngathi uyenza different to Mfukeng.
Mfukeng, the difference is if you look at most of the balls or the touches ezagatito, ne, he's outside the two lanes. And it is the defense and the midfielders. So most of the time when he starts the ball, he's in front of the midfielders. Ne? He's the one that wants to connect. And it now the difference with Mfokeng is good as well in playing inside the pockets. The defenders here, the midfielders are here. You understand? That is the difference. Mfokeng can be played Ibola 1 at 2. You understand? Or at 10. You understand? That is the difference. You understand? Maybe you can say the development was not the same, right? Well, they are two different. You understand? For me, I feel Guti, if he was developed as a number 8, he would have been perfect. You understand? Because he likes to be the player that Okala ama runs. You understand? Yeah. So the problem now, for me, especially over the weekend, ne, this thing, Pirates could have been managed easily. What Uwadu is or was supposed to do is to sit down Notito and say, you're the only number 10 that we have, or good number 10 that we have. You are not going to play wonke ama game, start and finish. No. There's just too many games to play in a short space of time, right? Kaizer Chiefs, they were complaining about Umabui Uguti, he's tired. Ne? He needed a break. That's why they took him out. Imagine, so early in the season, it happens. Just because you come from preseason, it doesn't mean Uguti are fit. Now you can play 10 games in 5 days. No. You still need to give players time to recover. So Notito, he won't play. He needs to understand that. So as a coach, you speak to him. I'm telling you, hey, my man, you are not going to play all the games, right? Now, Pili versus Mfundo Vilakazi. This thing is not difficult. Don't complicate it. No. The reason why Mfundo Vilakazi is more valuable than Upili is because Vilakazi is left-footed. It's that simple, right? He's left-footed. There's only one player who's left-footed with Chiefs up front. Ne? I'm going to show you why he's valuable, because he gives Chiefs something that the other guys abangek when it comes to the structure of the team. When a team plays, you need a structure, guys. So Upili, yes, Upili, he's more strong, he's more skillful. I think maybe he's the one who's more dangerous or more complete than Uvila, right? Yes. Mara, Uvilakazi is more important than Upili, because on the left-hand side, we can play anyone else as well. And Uvilakazi must remember, you can play him on the right, you can play him on the left. Ne? We can tell him good on the left-hand side, just play crosses. But Upili as well is still a very dangerous player. Now, let's go. Let me show you. Ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Sizoqala ngolangelihle Phili. Nice day Phili, angithi sharp. Now, he is on the left. Now, what he achieves is these movements. Ne? He could have passed the ball there. They still need to complement each other. He could have passed the ball there, but he passed it to Umthetho. We know Umthetho, what he does. He gets the ball, he'll give you, and then he wants to take it back. That's his good job, right? Now, another clip. One thing that he needs to work on, right? This is 1 against 1, Mfanagit. There's no one behind here. Take him on. Don't come in. Even Upartman needs to make a run there so that this guy has a move. So goes over 1 against 1. But he doesn't. Bafunugzali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It ends up being dead. But still early, right? Still early. Maybe bana 3 weeks. Bachimabonk. And it sharp. Another clip. One of the good things or the better things he does than Uvila, he is very good at taking shots. Out of nowhere, he takes a shot. He's got a good technique, right? He takes shots he's got a good left foot as well. Another thing that he does that Mfundo maybe doesn't do a lot is to find ipasses. So that's what he did against Sundowns. Hey, Maralino didn't pull a malai lakhe, but it's okay. He does have that in his hey, Gonje Batini Slung. Okay, it's fine. Asize Guville. Siza Guville. Or do you have any questions? Mnandi, sharp. Obrigado. What Obrigado brings is this. He is left-footed. He can come into these pockets, right? That's why he's more valuable because there's no other left-footed player edlala phambili for the Chiefs. A left-footed player can do this. Pass the ball this side. Adlali 1-2. I'll show you more clips as Villa. This was a game against Kruger. Kruger United. Now, another clip. Watch where Umtu is. Remember, when he's left-footed, you can also play him here as a half 10. He gives you that structure that other right-footed players can't give you. Ball goes back there. I don't know if you've noticed Eastern Sak. Eastern Sak is this 1-2. This is his strength. This is what he likes to do. Hey, senkipa ma secret umfana, but it's okay. Very, very, very good. He's still young. He's still 20, guys. He's still 20. He's got this in his arsenal. Hey, li figile le kama lesilungu bengilifika. Ta makes the run there. A lot of Chiefs wingers, they don't make ama runs our saw. If a left-footed player gives the team balance, a left arm of it, Obrigado. He's got this in his arsenal. The Gunners. Pagat inside. Don't worry, if you didn't see it, I'm gonna play it again. Beautiful run from Muserino. Oh, I missed this guy as Pagat inside. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, sharp. Now, Mtu Villarreal is more potent than Ucheslet. Ucheslet, he's a safe number 10. He's a defensive number 10. You're a defensive number 10. He was playing here as a 10, right? Now he moves. Now it means Uti Upartman has to move as well. And now Ucheslet, he's on the side. Sharp. I'm just showing you Uguti. He likes to move from E position on or in Google 10 zone into where on the side. Watch again. This is Upartman, Ugu 10, Cheslet, Ula. Ne? He plays safe. He plays safe. He could have played the ball. I'm gonna take it back. Don't worry. He could have played E1-2. Ne? He could have played E1-2. It's either with him or with him. But he doesn't. He plays too safe. I'm understanding number 10 is safe. You need combination plays here. We need to combine. We need to do well. Just like here. He's over here. But watch him. He makes the run. For what? We need to play, my man. We need to play. Obrigado, go have 10. He could have moved here. Look at Usilva Ogutugu. Now Melesi shift. We have to rotate the ball because our number 10 you have to come and play, my man. Shy cross. Oh, Bafit. Ulimelu cross, mara shy cross. Now, this is the final clip. Eyaga Cheslet. Then Beses Suzongena Gumtu Shabalal. Why does he like to go on the side? He's too safe. He wants to play a cross. Cross, it's not a bad thing which he plays a cross, but he's just too safe. Agana that thing. Agana member. Agana mamba mentality. Okay, sharp. Now, this is Umtu. Look where he turns. He turns inside. He doesn't turn on the outside. Foul. Right? Another clip. Yagamtu. Watch. He turns. He plays Ulilepo. Then he goes there. Not Uguti now. You have to be where now. You have to switch and go wide. Ufunuguba safe. No, safe for in, my man. Sharp. This is Umdu. Watch this run. Watch this run. Da, da. Now, what he needs to work on is the finishing. He needs to work on his finishing. Very lethal. Very smart. Very smart. Watch this run. Ka. Ileli defend. Pagati. Inside. There is no way that you can release Awumdu. Pause. There is no way that you can release Umfundo Vilakazi or Umdu Shabalala. For one reason, they are still young. Umdu Shabalala is 22 years old. Umfundo, 20 years old, or is turning 20. They still have time to improve. But out of the players that they have, good chiefs, right? Umdu is competing no Chesley, the white cheese. But Umdu is more potent than Chesley. Chesley, he plays too nicely, too soft. That's why you'll find other people saying township guys are better than the guys that play in the suburbs. It's because of his intensity, so right. But we're not gonna go into that topic, right? Now the next topic is Umbuthuma, right? Okay, questions about the guys?
Please explain further how Ethan Chislett plays safe as opposed to Umdu. What is wrong Makatati Bola across and Makatati Bola apase as opposed to holding on to it when he doesn't have to?
As a number 10, it's like you have to take risk. You have to if you saw one of the clips, Ibola came this side. Uchesled, he would have turned and faced that way. Right? Instead of turning and your body is inside. The fans are looking at your number, not at your face. The fans this side must see your jersey number. You turn inside of you. You understand? For me, he's too safe. He does not play direct. Let me say that. Remember, when you are a 10, the first option most of the time is to play forward. You understand? Is to look for a forward pass or you make a forward run. If he valegile, that's when you go. You understand? And Ucheslet likes to move aside. It's much easier to receive the ball as a winger than to receive it more pagat nendao. Young tall. So I hope Namni explain it to you guys. Now, Siagumbutum. Umbuthuma. Firstly, I don't think Umbuthuma would have been playing if Ungwanasesi was fit, right? Because now I think he's played a lot of games with a lot of mistakes whatsoever. But now, what I don't know what Zotini. The runs that he makes are not the correct runs. You will never score a lot of goals if you make the runs that you make, Umbuthuma. Now, this is me talking to Umbuthuma, right? Umbuthuma, my brother, the runs that you make are not good for you to score a lot of goals. Yes, your first touch and whatnot is not delicious, I understand. But if you want to score a lot of goals, you have to make dangerous runs. You have to do that. And another thing, coaches can help you with the runs that you make, but they can't help you in finishing. You have to work on that on your own. Now, let's start. I'm going to show you. This is the game against Milford, right? This is Umbuthumbuth over there. Pirates yenzani iyadlala, uMaswangani, iambulance yaseThembisa. Now, cross, look where he is standing. That you won't score a lot of goals in Vanagit if you are there. The run that, okay, watch, Uzopagamisi Sanda, he wants the ball to be played there. No, my man, relax. It's Pirates here. We played short. Now, when you make the run there. Make the run there to the first pole in Vanagit. Don't want the ball. Avail yourself. Yeah? Avail yourself. You have to be in dangerous scoring position. Angithi sharp. Second clip. Angithi second clip. Watch again. Ne? This is Umbuthuma. This is the wrong run. You won't score from there, my man. There's a different angle that I'm going to show you. You have to make the run to first pole. Instead of stopping, make the run there so that if you get it, not here, my man. Now you have to turn. It's very difficult for you to score a goal there. You have to continue your run. So be a decoy. Most of the time as a striker, you have to be a decoy for your teammates to score a goal. You run, you pull them, they play the ball at the back. And watch here again. Ambulance. Tito, he wants to come in deep. For what? We are on a transition. Make the run forward. And okay, sharp. Utito Enzani plays a nice ball. Then you will never score from there, boy. Now Uyenzani, he does interact, he crosses, but as a striker you should be here. It was a bad cross from Ulunga, angithi, but as a striker you're supposed to be make the mbarabafethu. Okay, sharp. Another clip. What? Beautiful. He cushions the ball, angithi, sharp. Now continue with the run. Yo, uyabriga. Now look what happens. Look what happens. Bafethu. This thing is not hard. It's just knowing where to move. Yeah? Continue with your run. If you continue with the run, bakhona boti, tikhona ambulance, tikhona umkhwanazi. Yeah? You are here. You won't score a lot of goals, guys. I promise you. You look at most of my goals of the top goal scorer, Yaga Dion last season. That guy does not want the ball in the inning. Okay, but I understand why. Look, he's here. He made a good run, but look where Uhotozo Pasagupi. They don't pass him the ball. Maybe that's why he doesn't make these runs. Or maybe they know Gutangega Kor. I don't know. Another good thing that he does. Where you are supposed to go. Okay, sharp. Now, by him coming in here, it opens up his space. But I don't think maybe it was intentional. Okay, sharp. But it's a good thing. Utito udlala ibola over there. What do we do? Siyamesa. Sometimes he makes good runs. Sometimes he just makes a run that are not good for him. Right? He needs to make runs that are good for him so that if the ball comes, he just taps in the ball. And in football, guys, or in life, you need to know your strength and your weaknesses. And you play according to your strengths, Bafethu. Because now what he's doing, he wants to come in deep, and he's not, sometimes the baller, bouncer. No. Go. It's simple, this thing, guys. Watch the top goal scorer last season, Ution. He doesn't want the ball, Kakulu. He doesn't. He just goes to dangerous position and then Besaya Kora, and then you see him tucking in and doing a funny celebration, right? That's what he does. He doesn't care about playing Uguti ball, no. Maybe because if Pirates plays a different style, right? About Tito, they want to connect. But now he needs to be smart. It's okay, sharp. Labaya connector. Let me move away and go into the right position. Any questions?
First question, Yanela Mutum. So then if when you're not happy with the runs that he's making, what do people mean Nabati? He's the one that creates spaces for other players to score goals if the runs he's making are incorrect?
If you remember the chance Yaga dancing, right? He was the one that made the cross. But initially, his run was incorrect. You understand? It's like Ichaisa, man. You know, you are where you're not supposed to be, and then you end up doing the right thing of crossing the ball. You understand? Initially, he's not supposed to go into that position, but he finds himself there. Then he does the right thing of crossing. You understand? There's another one against the Amazulu. He cushions the ball nicely. Angit sharp. He did something right. You cushion da. And then when you're supposed to move into a scoring position, he doesn't do that. Angit, what does he do? He ends up now now he needs to pass the ball. You understand? But had you went into the right position to draw the defenders, you understand? If they play the ball in Kunama, your teammates are there to finish. You understand? But his initial runs they are not okay. And it's something that's why our standard of football is not the highest, because as a professional player, it's something that you should know. You're supposed to make that run at this level. At 22, I know 22. Yo, so at 20, you're supposed to be knowing how to make those runs, the half moon run, all those runs, right? But now, okay, they need to teach him at Pirates. It's a symbol. But it's a big institution, not just a name. So they need to show good they are not just a name. They are a big institution. They need to hire people about Zumbunis with no mbutu. This is where you go. If the ball is here, this is where you go. Right. Any more questions? Nyaivala. Thank you for watching, Bafetu. Thank you for your support. We really, really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.